Hello everybody, just got a small little project here. Husqvarna 395 XP. Got a broken off bolt right there, and I'm going to attempt to drill that out and maybe easy out it out or use a reverse drill bit. I'm not sure. We thought all of these were bad, but it come to find out that these three still got good threads in it. We just got to get the right screw. But this one is broken off, and so we got to drill that out, and hopefully it'll come out and I won't have to drill and tap anything. That's the goal. Got this set up in the drill press because it was a pretty easy setup. I just have an XY table, cheap little thing, drill press vise, and then a wedge to hold that handle right in there tight. So here we go. By the way, it's 100 degrees in this shop here. That's why I got the fan going. 88 outside, 100 inside. Alright, so one of the things I always do is I take a transfer punch about the right size, and I don't have all the perfect measuring tools and all that baloney, but I throw it in here. Come on. And that way I can center it up. I've got this cheesy XY table that really makes this. Now get it in there just so I can find the center of this. I see that saw moving a little bit. I'm gonna have to block that up. That looks good to me. I'm going to try and drill down through and save the threads. Oop, did I bump you out of the way? Alright, that's centered. I bought a box of 10 or 20 of these, or 10, 15 of these metal wedges at a yard sale one time, and they're I use them all the time for shimming stuff like this. Now, still a little movie. I will shim that up. Try to do this without taking a punch to it. Alright, now let me see where to take that, how to get that out. Alright, well, I didn't get, my video didn't take, but I got this bolt here. I had to drill that out a little bit bigger, and I happen to have a socket head 1/4 by 20, so I just drilled that out, tapped it right there. The rest of these I was able to clean out the threads. I bought a tap, of course this is metric, 5 by 0.8, and I was able to get the rest of these in here. So that all worked out, so I got the bolt part of it done. And now the other part was building up this area here. This whole ear hole was blown out of there, so even if I did get a bolt there, there was nothing to grab a hold of to. So over the last night or two, I've gobbed this up with epoxy, milled out where I need to mill out. Let's see. Put the thing in there. There's where I'm going to drill that hole. And then I'm going to just mill, probably with an end mill, a flat spot with where the hole is for the bolt to sit in. But so that's where I'm at now. Lining this up and shimming it up here. Right about there. Epoxy here. Surprisingly hard, and there's no good way to hold this. Bingo. Now I'll put a shelf right in there. Maybe I'll put an end mill right in there and just level that out. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put a screw in here. And here we go. Ooh, a little goofy. As soon as I get enough flat spot there. Ooh. Let's see here. Okay, I might take that down just a little bit more to get in there. Yeah, got to go down a little bit more. Okay, well, there you go. There's that reconstruction hole. And there's the oddball. Actually, a couple of these are oddballs. If you see that, the last guy had a screw that was way too long and it was digging into here. This is meant to cushion that, and I had to cut that screw off to make sure it didn't hit there. But I think it came out good. All right, I'll see you later.